Ramadan Mubarak everyone! This week I'm revisiting the best parts of the videos that you liked about our region the most. The Horn of Africa, including Somalia, Somaliland, Djibouti, Ethiopia. These are the segments that you loved watching, commented on the most, and keep asking me to bring it back. So let's dive right in. If your contractor says, "Don't worry boss, trust me," hit pause on that checkbook. Most building disasters in Somalia, Somaliland, Kenya, Nigeria or Egypt don't come from villains. They start with one tiny lie and systems that let it slip through. Today I'm spilling the 5 most common lies contractors tell, why they do it and how to spot them before they cost you thousands, give you grey hair or turn your 6-month bill into a 2-year nightmare. And let's be clear, this isn't about bashing contractors, it's about giving homeowners power and helping good contractors thrive with clear rules. Why do these lies exist? Why do these lies happen? Number 1, poor planning culture. People start building before their plan is complete. Number 2, cash flow construction. Many contractors survive job to job, so they juggle money. Number 3, weak contractors. Everything is verbal. Construction punishes verbal agreements. Number 4, diaspora distance. Owner is abroad, site is local, and WhatsApp becomes the project manager. Many contractors are not evil, they are under pressure. But pressure creates shortcuts, excuses, and half-truths. Distance is dangerous, because I'm on site can mean I'm near the site. Now let's go to the 5 lies. No shouting, just strategy. Lie 1, materials have suddenly gone up. Anytime you hear suddenly, switch to detective mode. Sometimes prices do go up, inflation is real, fuel affects transport, currency moves, but sometimes prices went up mean I didn't price properly, I didn't plan procurement, or I used the money somewhere else and I'm trying to recover. When does this lie appear? Right after you pay a big installment, right before roofing, right before windows, right before tiles and finishes. How to catch it with a simple system. Number 1, price list screenshots from 2 suppliers. Number 2, supplier invoice in your project name. Number 3, delivery note to your site. Number 4, create material schedule, brand, quantity, unit price and approve alternatives. Number 5, for big items, you pay supplier directly or use joint sign-off. If prices went up, show me where. Mini example, you agree cement is X. 2 weeks later, boss, cement have risen. Okay, show me the supplier quote, invoice or delivery note. No documents, no sudden rise. Lie 2, we are almost done. Construction has 2 almost done phases, one that is real and one that is cinema. From outside, a house can look 80% done, but inside it can be 40% because of the slow parts that are hidden. Plumbing, electric, waterproofing, tiling details, door alignments, testing and snagging. How to catch it? Use physical milestones only. Foundation completed, block work completed, roofing complete, first fix plumbing complete, first fix electric complete, plastering complete, screening complete, tiling complete, painting complete, sanitary kitchen and doors complete, testing plus snag list complete. Payment rule, never pay for almost, pay for completed items you can touch. Show me the state checklist, which ones are fully done. Almost done is like saying I'm almost at the airport when you are still in the shower. Lie 3, we just need a small money to finish. This is the sentence that turns a 12-month project into a 3-year documentary. Small money is rarely one time. It becomes small money today, small money next week, small money forever. Why? Because the end is where mistakes show up. And if early stages were not done properly, finishing becomes expensive and messy. How to catch it with finish protection plan. Number 1, completion milestone payment. Final payment only after a snack list is signed off. Number 2, retention money. Hold 5 to 10% for defect period. Adjust with local norms and contract law. Number 3, snack list with photos, leaks, cracks, doors, sockets, tiles, paint and water pressure. Number 4, one final cost scope. List what is left with costs, materials and timeline. Finishing should be predictable. If it feels endless, something is wrong. If the project needs small money every week, it's no longer construction, it's a subscription. Lie 4, this is how we always do it. Tradition is good, but tradition cannot carry a roof slab. Some methods worked years ago because houses were smaller and loads were lighter. Today luxury homes have bigger spans, heavy tiles, rooftop terraces, water tanks, solar systems, and multiple floors. How to catch it with calm questions. Where are the drawings? Where are the structural design for this slab? What concrete strength are we using? Show me the reinforcement schedule. Why this beam size? Don't ask for confidence. Ask for reason. Confidence is not a calculation. Lie 5. Trust me, I've built many houses. Experience is powerful, but proof is more powerful. A contractor can build many houses and still deliver poor quality. Luxury clients don't buy stories, they buy evidence. How to catch it with a proof checklist. Number 1, visit past projects, one recent and one older. Number 2, talk to past clients privately. Number 3, ask, did they finish on time? Did they stay on budget? How did they handle defects? Would you hire them again? Number 4, ask for progress photos during construction, not just final glamour shots. If the portfolio has only night photos with lights, it might be a nightclub, not a project. How to build without a war. Now listen carefully. You don't need to fight your contractor, you just need a system. Here's a calm solution. Clear contract, clear scope, clear milestone payment, weekly video updates, engineer or architectural oversight, respectful communication. Good contractors exist, but good systems protect both sides. When systems are clear, contractor is protected from unrealistic demand. The homeowner is protected from endless excuses, and the project moves with less drama. Respect is good, the structure is better. If you are building homes soon, save this video, share it with someone sending money home. And if you want my simple checklist for managing a contractor, comment checklist. I'm Engineer Abdirahim Mohamed. Subscribe for more African tips. We don't just build houses, we build peace of mind.